Hello, everyone. Welcome today in additional of today's newspaper on a Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, January the 10th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading to YouTube. And I've not a fast connection. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one I will start is the 3 stars Sudoku number 5767. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, especially the hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, we have here 3 twos, we have here 1, 2 threes, 3 fours, 3 fives, 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 2 nines, and 3 eights. So it's divided. So I cannot say which number I can start. But we have a pair. 3 and a 7 in this column, 3 and a 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left where the 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 in this row. Third row. 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. 5 in this third row. 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. Cannot continue with the 5 now. How about 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 1, 1. Here should be the 1. 2. I'm scanning. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be here. 4 in this row. 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. No, we have a 7 here. The 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 189, 189, 189, 189. And look, we have 1 and 8 in the middle row, so no 1 and 8 in this box. The 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as appear. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 6. All right. 247. 247. 7. We have 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 247. 247. So we have a 7 in one of these 3 boxes in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in this row, so second row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 missing numbers in this third row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3, 3. Okay. 3, 3. 6, 6. All right. Then 2, 2, 2. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6, 6, 6, okay. Then 3, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 7. We have a 7 in this row. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. Well, we have a 2 and a 7 in this column. So here this box can be 2 or a 7. So 1 digit left should be the 4. So the other 2, the 2 and the 7 should be there. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. 7, 7. 9 and 8. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this third column for the numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Here 9 and 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. No, 9 and 8. Okay. How about 2, 2, and 8? Yeah. Well, in this column, middle column, we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look, we have 2 and 8 in the last row, so no 2 and 8 in this box. So 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. Last column. We have a 4 in the column next, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Okay. 7 in the last column. 7 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. 1, okay. Then 3, 6, and a 5. Need a 5 here. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. And look, here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this column should be there. 5, 5, okay. Here I need also 5, 5, okay. So the 3 and the 6 are left here. Yeah. 2 numbers left, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, overlook this 3, and the 6 goes there. So 1 number left in this big square for number 6. 6, 6, alright. 1 and yeah, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column. Last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Alright, 2 numbers left here in the second column, the 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes in there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. The 5 in this last row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. One box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. One box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finishing 15 minutes. Wow. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you later on with the second puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.